everyone, welcome. Are you ready to hear about a super special, super busy little hero? Now this guy doesn't wear a cape or anything, but trust me, he has one of the biggest jobs on the entire planet. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so our story starts with something a little bit stinky. Yep, you heard me. Our first section is all about a world of poop. But hang on, it's way more interesting than it sounds, I promise. All right, I've got a stinky question for you. Have you ever thought about this? Animals all over the world are, well, doing their business. So, why aren't we all sloshing around in giant piles of poop? It's kind of gross, yeah? But it's actually a super important question. Okay, get ready for this, because it's gonna blow your mind. To really get how much poop we're talking about, scientists figured out that every single day, the animals on Earth make enough dung to equal all the water that pours over the gigantic Victoria Falls. Can you even picture that? Whoa, that is a lot of poop.
But hey, don't worry, you can put your rain boots away. Because, and you might not believe this, there's a tiny superhero on the job, working 24/7 to clean up every last bit.
And that brings us to the best part. It's time to finally meet these mighty heroes. Let's go meet the Super Scoopers.
And here it is! Ta-da! The dung beetle. So what is a dung beetle? It's basically a super-powered insect, and its whole mission in life is to find and recycle animal poop. I'm serious. To a dung beetle, poop isn't gross at all, it's treasure. It's like their grocery store, their house, and even a cozy nursery for their babies, all rolled into one. And of course, every superhero needs a toolkit, right? Well, these guys are perfectly built for the job. They've got this tough, dark outer shell. It's called an exoskeleton, and it's just like a suit of armor. Plus, they have 6 super strong legs, perfect for digging and rolling. And get this, they have special antennae that are basically super sniffers.
And the super sniffers? They're absolutely incredible. They're so powerful, a dung beetle can smell a fresh pile of, treasure from super far away. They can even follow the smell in the pitch black dark to find their dinner. You know, an elephant can leave behind a big pile of dung, and in just 15 minutes, bam, thousands of beetles can show up for the party. It's amazing.
Okay, fun fact time. Not all dung beetles do things the same way. Nope, they actually have different styles for dealing with their treasure. So the big question is, are they gonna roll it, tunnel it, or just dwell in it? First up, let's talk about the rollers. You can think of them as the sculptors of the beetle world. They find a pile of poop, and then they use their legs to shape it into a perfect round ball. Then, and this is the cool part, they turn around and start rolling it away with their back legs. It's a ton of work, but they're pros.
Okay, next, we've got the tunnelers. These guys are master diggers. Instead of rolling the poop away, they do something really clever. They dig these secret tunnels right under a fresh pile. Then, they just pull the treasure down into their underground hideouts. That way, it's safe from any other hungry bugs.
And last but not least, we have the dwellers. These beetles are all about keeping things simple. I mean, why go to all the trouble of moving the poop? They just find a nice, cozy dung pile, move right in, and call it home. They eat there, they sleep there, they lay their eggs there. It's like a restaurant, a house, and a nursery, all in one spot.
So we know they're great cleaners, but did you know dung beetles have some serious superpowers? Seriously, let's dive in and see just how much stronger these little guys are than you might think.
Okay, these little guys are crazy strong. I'm not kidding. A single dung beetle can bury something that's 250 times its own weight in just one night. To put that in perspective, that's like you burying an entire school bus all by yourself before you even have breakfast. No way!
Okay, so here's a real head scratcher. Remember the rollers? They push their dung balls with their back legs, right? That means they're walking backwards the whole time. So how on earth do they manage to roll in a straight line? Why don't they just go around and around in circles?
Okay, you are not gonna believe this. The secret is the sky. When they think they're getting a little lost, they'll actually climb on top of their dung ball, stop for a second, and look up. They use the light from the sun, the moon, and even the starry glow of the Milky Way to figure out which direction to go. It's incredible. They're like tiny little space explorers navigating by the stars.
So all this rolling and digging and burying is not just about getting dinner. Turns out, the dung beetle's job has these huge, amazing benefits for the entire planet. They are really and truly the planet's little helpers.
So what are their secret missions? Well, for one, they're accidental gardeners. When they bury the dung, they also bury any seeds that were inside it, and that helps new plants sprout and grow. They also help out farmers. By tunneling, they mix all those healthy nutrients from the poop deep into the soil, which is like giving the crops a super vitamin boost. And get this, they even help fight climate change. They mix air into the poop, which stops it from releasing a stinky gas called methane.
And all that help, well, it really adds up. We're talking big money. In the United States alone, the work these beetles do, for free, is worth over $380 million a year. That's how much farmers save just because these little guys are out there keeping the soil healthy.
So as we start to wrap this up, I think it's pretty clear just how important these little beetles are. I mean, they are, without a doubt, nature's coolest recyclers.
You know, this really says it all. They may not be the flashiest creatures, but dung beetles are definitely one of nature's coolest recyclers. And it's so true. They might not be as colorful as a butterfly or as bright as a firefly, but their job, it's one of the most important jobs in the entire animal kingdom. They really are recycling superstars. So just by doing what they do best, cleaning up poop, these incredible, unsung heroes are making our world healthier for plants, for animals, and yep, for us too. They make everything better.
So, here's my challenge for you. The next time you're playing outside, take a really close look at the ground. You might just spot one of these little heroes hard at work. And that gets me thinking, what other tiny heroes can you find in your own backyard? You know, like busy bees, or super strong ants, or wiggly worms? There's a whole world out there, so keep exploring. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today.
Hey, explorers! If you enjoyed this guide, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.